Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video we are going to study the notes of Karnataka State Syllabus Class 6 Social Science Civics Chapter 7 the Union Government, State Government and Judiciary. If you want the lessons of other notes of other subjects, you can check the playlist of my channel. Question number 1. Which are the three organs of the Union Government? Answer. The Legislature, Lok Sabha Lower House with 552 members, Rajya Sabha Upper House 250 members. Number 2. The Executive, President, Prime Minister and Union Cabinet. Number 3. The Judiciary, Supreme Courts and the High Courts. Question number 2. What are the qualifications required to become a member of Lok Sabha? Answer. The Lok Sabha members are elected for a term of 5 years. They should have the following qualification. To become a member of the Lok Sabha, one should be the citizen of India. They must be at least 25 years of age. They should not have been sentenced to imprisonment. They should not be insolvent, that is, not having enough money to pay one's debt. Question number 3. Who is the head of the Indian Republic? Answer. President of India. State government, discuss in group and answer. Name the house whose members are directly elected by the voters. Answer. Legislature Assembly. In which house will be the elected representatives of the teachers? Answer. Legislative councils. Who is the MLA of your constituency? Whoever is MLA of your place, you have to write the name of that person. Who is the minister in charge of your district? Answer. Again you have to write the minister of your district. What are the main powers and functions of the chief minister? Answer. The chief minister's powers and functions are: the governor appoints the ministers on the advice of the chief minister. The chief minister has the power to allocate the departments to the ministers or change the departments. The chief minister has the power to drop the ministers. He plays an important role in maintaining good relationship between the center and the state. Next, Supreme Court. What are the main functions of the judiciary? Answer. The courts interrupt the laws framed by the legislature. They give judgment relating to disputes between individuals and between individuals and the government. They perform the important task of protecting the life, property, dignity and rights of the citizens. The courts are not controlled by either the legislature or the executive. They function impartially and independently. Which is the highest court of law in our country? Answer. The Supreme Court. What are the qualifications necessary to be a High Court judge? Answer. Qualification of a High Court judge: must be a citizen of India, must have served under the Indian judiciary for at least 10 years, or must have served as an advocate of the High Court for 10 years. Here are some of the additional question answers of this lessons. How many states and union territories are there in India? 29 states and 6 union territories. Write a note on Lok Sabha Speaker. Answer. The members of the Lok Sabha elect one among themselves as the Speaker. The powers and functions of the Speaker are deciding the matters that needs to be discussed in the House, maintaining the discipline and dignity of the House, and conducting the discussion in a proper manner and taking decisions. Who is the chairman of Rajya Sabha? Answer. The Vice President of India. What is the role and function of the leader of the opposition party? Answer. The leader of the opposition occupies a respectable place. His role and functions are pointing out the lapses, if any, on the part of the government, reviewing the policies and programs of the government, and giving timely advice to the government, cabinet and administrators. Mention the powers and functions of the parliament. Answer. The powers and functions of the parliament are legislative powers, financial powers, administrative powers, authority to amend the constitution. What are the powers of President of India? Answer. The President appoints the leader of the majority party in Lok Sabha as the Prime Minister. On the advice of Prime Minister, he appoints the other ministers. The assent of the President is necessary for any bill to become an act. The supreme command of the defense forces is vested with the President. He has the power to declare war or peace. The President has the power to appoint the judges of Supreme Court and High Court. He has the power to grant pardon or confirm the punishment. What are the powers of Prime Minister of India? The powers and functions of the Prime Minister of India are: he is the leader of Lok Sabha, he allocates the portfolios of the ministers, he has the power to reshuffle the cabinet, he has the power to recommend the appointments of minister to various departments to the president, he has the power to recommend the removal of the ministers to the president. Write the composition of the state legislature. Answer: the state legislature is composed of the government and the legislature. Write the powers of the governor. Answer: the governor appoints the chief minister and on his advice appoints the rest of the ministers. The bill approved by the legislative houses needs the assent of the governor to become a law. When the president dissolves the state government and imposes the president's rule in the state, and the governor takes charge of the administration of the state. Where is the Supreme Court of India situated? Answer: New Delhi. Second main, fill in the blanks. The Union Legislature is called the Parliament. The dash is also known as Lower House, Lok Sabha. The finance bill must be presented first in the Lok Sabha. The dash is the head of the Indian Republic, President. The official residence of the President of India is the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The dash is the constitutional head of a state, Governor. The governor of a state is nominated by the President of India. The dash is the head of the state government, Chief Minister. The Supreme Court of India is in New Delhi. The dash is the highest court of law in a state, High Court. So this is all about your lesson. As I have told you, if you want the other lessons notes, you can check the playlist of my channel. Thanks for watching.